Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. In this video, we want to talk about where the trend is sitting. Yeah, are we currently back in an uptrend? Are we still in a downtrend? Do we still expect lower prices? And if we do expect lower prices, what is the level that really needs to break for us to consider that something more bullish is going on? Okay, so at the moment, yeah, as you probably know if you followed the last few videos and last videos of the last few weeks actually, we've been highlighting that lower prices are still here on the agenda. They happened. And then down here, the next key target was 48.6 cents. And it only came down to 49.2. It came very close, but turned around just above the fib level. Oftentimes when that happens, I mean, it's never guaranteed, but oftentimes when that happens, these cryptos or generally assets, yeah, when the price doesn't touch the actual fib level, because it's the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, then often they still get it at the later stage. They come down to just get it, to basically arrive at that key point. Yeah, these fib levels are often like magnets for prices. And yeah, so that's the first assumption that I have, that we should still come down lower. Observation we can make is that the price is currently just moving in corrective patterns in what I am labeling as a wave 4. That's unchanged from previous videos. And it's in resistance, in this resistance area, which goes all the way up to 55.2 cents. So it would really take a break above the 55.2 cent level for me to consider something more bullish. That's the very first indication here. If resistance breaks, it's that level. Then I can consider something more bullish. I can't confirm that the low has been made then, because I need to see clear 5 waves, which we haven't got at this stage. Hopium is certainly wrong at this point. It needs to prove itself, because this cannot become an impulse. This can only become some kind of a weird tortured diagonal structure. And therefore, hopium is not really the right choice here. Bullish hopium. It's more like, okay, we're observing the price. If we see something interesting that can confirm that we have a 5-wave move up or we're developing that way, then we can watch. There's some interesting ones. I mean, GMX, Aave, maybe Solana. We need to check that. But yeah, this one at the moment not. It's in resistance, consolidating. Yeah. But the move above 55.2 cents would help from a bullish point of view. But even more important would be the move above 56.9 cents. These are the 2 key levels. And after that, we have to break above 63.6, which is the end of August high. That's actually the most important one, to get above that level. But until we get we're not even close to 55.2 cents. So as long as we don't get closer, the forecast is still further downside. And then I would still need to see that level break. And yeah, I mean, again, at the moment, there is nothing there that suggests to me that something more bullish is going on. Nothing that looks, it just looks similar to what we had here. That was between the 1st of September and the 6th of September, just very corrective move up. Here as well, very corrective move up. And all these corrections looks very similar. We're now in resistance. And yeah, at the moment, I would forecast further downside. But this is, of course, the area where we're watching for a reversal. I did explain that as well, because all the way down here to this swing low, yeah, we've been highlighting we need basically another low and another low. And the preferred interpretation was that the price gets below the 10th of June low because of the overall corrective patterns here. The price did that. And when we did it, I highlighted to you, okay, we haven't reached the ideal targets, but we have fulfilled the minimum expectations of this move to the downside, because the price has taken out the 10th of June low, which means the pattern could technically be counted as complete. Okay, one more low would seem likely, but yeah, one more low or that's it. That's sort of the interpretation. And therefore, I'm very much open to a turnaround here, but I just need to see the evidence. Yeah, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.